Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to log into your Standard Chartered bank account online. So this is perfect if you want to access your account, check balances, transfer funds, or even manage payments without visiting a branch. So first, head over to the Standard Chartered website. Then simply make sure you're on the official site by looking at the URL. So once you're here, you then have to look for the login button, which is usually going to be somewhere on the homepage. So once you found it, you then have to click on personal banking if you're accessing a personal account, or you can also choose business banking if it's your business account. And after that, you will then be taken to the login page. Here, you then have to enter your username or custom ID and your password. So simply double check that you've typed everything correctly, because login attempts may get you locked out after multiple errors. So some regions may also ask for two-factor authentication, so this could be a one-time code sent to your phone or email. So simply enter the code when prompted to complete the login process. And once you're in, you then land on your dashboard. So from there, you'll then be able to view balances, recent transactions, set up payments, and even manage your cards. So it's pretty straightforward and secure thanks to Standard Chartered's online safety measures. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.